Konnichiwa, ma'am.
Konnichiwa. Okay, we have still have 1 minute. Let's wait for the students to come. Okay, student, let us start our today's lesson, and let us see what we'll be studying in this semester. We'll be learning uh, mm, from lesson 21 to 25 in of Minna no Nihongo, and along with that we'll be doing 2 lessons of kanjis. The evaluation is will be based on the assignment which I post in assignment section, also on from Amigo MOOC. And please see the content properly, and see the content and do assessment after taking part in the classes, and watch the URLs also of the classes. So no matter whatever your course is, please learn 15 minutes or 20 minutes Japanese every day, so that whatever you are learning you are able to learn properly. And you can see Amigo, and you can see you can read from the book, and also you can see the lessons, or you can see manga, or you can see anime and learn, so that practice you can practice speaking also. And I have seen and observed that if you want to pass the exam, there is no problem, not much problem if you are being regular to the classes. But if you want to learn to speak, and lots of by observing animes, and with because of your interest in them, students start speaking very easily. So there is a lot of placement scope in Japanese. So please be sincere in learning. This is my advice as a mentor in the beginning of the semester. The evaluation will be again from 15 your class participation, 10 marks for assessment, the assignment, home assignment, and 10 marks for your class test. Of course, lots will be counted from the MOOC assessment. So please do your Amigo course very well. Okay. Now we'll in this lesson 21, we will be learning expression of thought. Right. So before that, I would like you to see one video clipping of from Genki, to see what really you are learning. So language learning is learning different expressions, and you are learning first of all expression of thought in this semester. So expression thought is, what do you think? If it is not audible, then please let me know. Is it audible? Is it audible?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now please tell me, huh?
食べ物だと思います。
Tabemono da to omoimasu. Omoimasu means I think. Okay. Like in English, we used I think beforehand. I think it is food. So tabemono da to omoimasu means I think it is food. So this expression of saying that मैं सोचता हूँ, like in regular Japanese sentence, the verb comes at the end of the sentence. In this kind of sentence also, verb I think will come later at the end of the sentence, and before that you will be making the rest of the sentence. So I think it is food. So tabemono is food. Tabemono da to omoimasu. So we'll be, and if it is negative, because tabemono is a noun and adjective will use da to omoimasu. Let us see the usage. It is thinking aloud.
食べ物じゃないと思います。
今からゲームをしましょう。イエーイ。じゃあ、ケンさん。それは食べ物だと思いますか？
Do you think it is a food?
いいえ、食べ物じゃないと思います。
I think it is not food.
じゃあ、何だと思いますか？
What do you think it is?
タオルだと思います。
Towel. It is towel.
これは帽子です。
Boshi this. It's cap. Once again, please watch carefully.
食べ物だと思います。食べ物じゃないと思います。
今からゲームをしましょう。イエーイ。じゃあ、ケンさん。それは食べ物だと思いますか？
いいえ、食べ物じゃないと思います。
じゃあ、何だと思いますか？
タオルだと思います。
これは帽子です。
Okay. So what do you think? It is. This is. I think so. Is the expression. Fine. Just a minute. Okay. And now let me show a PPT based on this. Okay. Now let me share one PPT with you. Students, tell me, is your class this first? Are you not able to join 3:15 class? Is there any problem in joining 3:15? Are you people listening? Mayank?
Actually, the AIBI group has a class from 3 to 4. That's
Okay,
why
then
we
fine,
can't
fine.
join in group.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, now so let me share my PPT with you. Can you see? Please be attentive the class because very few students are there. Please be attentive. Okay, we'll be studying how to express thought. So we will how to use adjective nouns before the expression of thought. This is what we are going to learn now. Okay, so how do we make this form? We make it by using a dictionary form or plain form before to omoimasu. To is the quotation particle. Omoimasu is I think. So idea or information expressed with omoimasu are indicated by the particle to. To is like quotation particle. Okay. So when one wants to speak one's thought aloud and whilst expressing opinion also. So I think it will rain tomorrow. So to omoimasu will be used. I say ashita amega furuto omoimasu means I think it will rain tomorrow. So let us see how they are made. As you know that the verbs, you know how to make good dictionary form of the verb. We have learned in the last semester. So we will be using the dictionary form of the verb plus to omaimasu. After that, kakimas. Kakimas is a group one verb. It will become kaku to omaimasu. So it will become like you can make the sentence using this. Nihongo de report o kaku to omaimasu. I think I'll write report in Japanese. Next one, yomimasu, yomu to omaimasu means I think I'll read. So you can say, my ichi page Nihongo no hon o yomu to omaimasu. I think I will read one page of Japanese book every evening. So yomu to omaimasu you can use. Then hanashimasu is hanasu. It's a group one verb. Same way hanasu. Nihongo de hanasu to omaimasu. Kore kara itsumo Nihongo de hanasu to omaimasu. I think I'll speak always in Japanese from now. Or to kurasu. Nihongo no kurasu de itsumo Nihongo de hanasu to omoimasu. I think I'll speak in Japanese class. I'll be speaking always in Japanese. I hope you have understood. Then asobimas will change to asobu. Asobu will be having fun. Okay. Tomodachi to asobu to omoimasu. I think I'll have fun with my friend. Machimasu matsu. Matsu to omoimasu. Then kairimasu kairu. Kairu to omoimasu will be for saying that I'll return at, like I say, yo rokuji ni kairu to omoimasu. I think I'll return at 6 day. So group 2, you will be using again ru will be used, mas will be deleted, ru will be used, and it will become taberu to omoimasu means I think of eating. So you can add on the stem, add on the sentence and make mainichi kudamono o taberu to omoimasu. I think I'll eat fruit every day. Then rokuji ni okiru to omoimasu. I think I will wake up at 6 o'clock. Okay. Then group 3 verb same suru to omoimasu and kuru to omoimasu. Suru means to do and kuru means to come. So suru to omoimasu you can use like mainichi renshu suru to omoimasu. I think I'll practice every day. Kuru to omoimasu means come. Like Rao Sanwa ashita kuru to omoimasu. I think Mr. Rao will come tomorrow. So how do we use this expression with adjective? I hope you people are listening. Just let me check. How many of you are listening? Please raise your hand if you are listening. If you are listening, please raise your hand. Only 2 students are listening. Other students are not listening. Janvi, where are you? Janvi, are you there? No? Okay, what about Nandini Raj? Are you there? No? All those are not speaking and I am removing them from the group. Prerna Patwal, are you there? No. Shashank, are you there? I will remove them from the group if you are not listening. Subham Saini, Rajan Sharma is not there connecting again. Okay, so if you are not there, I'll remove you. Nandini, are you there? Nandini, I can't hear Nandini and not raised hand also. Nandini. Rajan Sharma. No. Okay, students, are you listening? Then give what expressions are there? Then give surprise expression if you are listening. Expression of surprise. Expression of surprise if you are listening. Yes. One student is listening. Just one student is listening. Okay. More students, if you are listening. I can see not many students are listening. I'm going to remove them if they are not listening. Okay. 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 Janvi Singh, what expression do you want to give? See, you have to listen. Otherwise, I feel the class is bad if the class is not listening. All students are supposed to be speaking, listening, interacting in the class. What kind of language learning is there if you are not listening? Shashank?
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm listening. My call just dropped.
Okay, fine. No, I removed all those who were not giving expressions and all those who were not responding. I've removed them from the group. That's how your call is not dropped. I removed you from the group. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
there was no option of hand raising at my side, so
okay, now listen. Then you can speak. If I'm saying I don't want any raised expressions. I want students to speak. There were no students speaking. So I said that let me see how many of them are listening. Now unraise your hand. Everybody please unraise your hand. Unraise now. And speak in the class and listen in the class. I don't want this kind of silent class where I am speaking only and not speaking. No, Nandini, not acceptable. You have shaky. This, please speak in the class. Shashank, what happened now? It's permanent raise hand here. So you have to interact. What I am teaching right now, can you tell? Okay, can you tell Janvi what I am teaching? Who can tell me what I am teaching? Yes, Prerna. What we have learned just now? Can anybody tell what expression we have learned? I want to know. See, I can't teach class like this. That nobody is speaking here. Yes, please speak, Sam.
Ma'am, you were teaching us about to omoimas, which is the expression to think, and with different types of dictionary verbs, you showed us examples how to use to omoimas.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sam. And I am glad that somebody was listening. And that gives me, motivation to keep continuing. If nobody is listening, I'm just speaking. That gives me very, very sad this scenario of continuing with the class. Because people need to study. Okay. Okay. Now, Rajan Sharma, are you there? Rajan Sharma, are you there? Rajan Sharma. Rajan Sharma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening? Where are you? Outside? Are you outside?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was facing network issues, so I'm just trying to connect with another Wi-Fi.
Okay. So, students, you are supposed to be attentive in the class. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, you need to be very attentive in the class. All of you. So please make one sentence using to moimas. You can use any sentence using this. And my PPT is still my PPT is shared with you. So you can see that and use it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my timetable clash with yours. Ma'am, with your class.
This class or
Yes,
315?
ma'am.
315.
Ma'am, 4:15.
You have to speak to your teacher. We have already sent the timetable 315 or 415. You can enter any of the classes. No other
Okay.
say semester 6. Okay. So, so uh, and if it please address this problem as soon as possible, because later you will be asked why didn't you raise this issue. So please raise this issue with your PL. There are two of us, 315 and 415. So please make sure that it is clarified. Okay, just now maybe you switch on two classes and you get the attendance, but it will not be marked, because once it is clashed, so in your attendance you will also have problem. Okay, so please make
Okay.
sure that it is solved as soon as possible. Okay,
Yes.
now just a minute. Okay, now let's learn how this expression of thought will be used with the adjectives. So how many type of adjectives are there, students? Let me ask. How many type of adjectives are there in Japanese? How many type of adjectives are there in Japanese? I won't answer. I won't answer. I'm used to getting answer. Please answer. How many type of, yes, yes, Sam?
And there is na adjectives and e adjectives.
Right. There are two types of adjectives. One end with e, one end with na. So e adjective, in this case, e adjective will be used as it is. There will not be any change. So, omoshiroi to omoimasu means I think it is interesting. So, tanoshi to omoimasu, I think it is enjoyable. So, what is the other adjective kind? It is na adjective. Na adjective and noun, same rule will be used before to. It will become da to omoimasu. Shizuka da to omoimasu. I think it is quiet. Yume da to omoimasu. I think it is famous. So, kirei da to omoimasu. I think it is clean. Fine. And similarly for noun, same expression will be yasumi da to omoimasu. I think it is holiday. Then juni gatsu da to omoimasu. I think it is December. So I hope you have understood. And let us see, just a minute. Let me come to the question. Let me see how many of you can answer this. Okay, who can answer this? Tanaka-san wa doko desu ka? Kaigishitsu ni dash to omoimasu. In your previous class, students have answered. Please answer here also. Please answer what will be there. What will come here? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What will be the answer, students? Anybody? It will be iru. Iru means imas. Kaigishitsu ni iru to omoimasu. Before to, dictionary form will be used. Okay, next one. Ashita wa dash to omoimasu. Tomorrow is a holiday, suppose, and it's a noun. So what will be used? Da. Yasumi da to omoimasu. I think it is holiday tomorrow. Class has been very inattentive, I would say. Okay, let's learn the next expression. Let me share my screen with you. Let me open. Just give me a second. Okay, the next expression is based on to itte or to imas, which means saying the quotation, saying somebody was saying something. Okay, let us watch this skit. It's based on.
カラオケに行くと言っていました。
He said that he would go to karaoke.
あ、ケンさん、どこに行くの？
Where are you?
カラオケ。バイバイ。
Bye bye.
皆さん、おはようございます。
おはようございます。
ケンさんがいませんね。
Kim-san is not.
今、ケンさんに会いました。カラオケに行くと言っていました。
Okay, let's watch once again.
カラオケに行くと言っていました。
So to particle is the quotation particle. To itte imashita means he was saying so. He was saying that he is going for karaoke.
あ、ケンさん、どこに行くの？カラオケ。バイバイ。
Bye bye. Where are you going? For karaoke.
皆さん、おはようございます。
Good morning,
お
everyone.
はようございます。
ケンさんがいませんね。
Kim-san is not there.
今、ケンさんに会いました。
I met Kim-san.
カラオケに行くと言っていました。
Karaoke ni iku to itte imashita. He was saying that he is going for karaoke. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this. Let us see. Just a minute. Now let's learn from PPT. Then we'll do lesson. Okay. Okay, so here we are learning particle to, emas or eu. This content expressed with emas is indicated by the particle to. When quoting directly what someone says or said, repeat exactly what they say as the following structure. Neru maini oyasumi nasai to emas means we say good night before going to bed. Then Ohayo gozaimasu wa eigo de good morning to imasu. Ohayo gozaimasu is said good morning in English. To imasu means is said. It said. Okay. Neko wa nia nia to itte nakimasu. The cat cries by saying nia nia. So Tanaka-san wa Raishu Tokyo e shucho shimasu to iimashita. So here it's like direct speech because it is in the bracket. In Japanese grammar, we don't say any direct or indirect speech. We don't say in grammar, but instead of inverted commas like for speech, direct speech or in we use these brackets do come. And so we say as it is here, and when you want to say that he was saying indirect speech, that time you will change this form into dictionary form. Tanaka-san was saying that he will, Tanaka-san said, I will go to Tokyo in business trip next week. So now let's see some other sentences from the book. Shu showa ashita daito. Yes?
Sorry to interrupt, but ma'am, the PPT isn't visible. It's not shared.
Really?
Yeah, we're just seeing the unshared screen. Just unshare it and try again.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Now, is it visible now? I think it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I show
Yes,
it from the
ma'am.
beginning? Shall I show it from the beginning? Okay. So plain form to imas or to eu is expressed. Imas is indicated by particle to. When quoting directly what someone says or said, repeat exactly what they say as the following structure. Neru maini oyasumi nasai to imas. Means we say good night before going to bed. Then Ohayo gozaimasu wa eigo de good morning to imasu. Means Ohayo gozaimasu is said good morning in English. Neko wa nia nia to itte nakimasu. The cat cries by saying nia nia. Then Tanaka-san wa Raishu Tokyo e shucho shimasu to imashita. Tanaka-san said I'll go to Tokyo on business trip next week. So let's do sentences from the book. It is Shusho is Prime Minister. Shusho wa ashita daitoryo ni au to imashita. The Prime Minister said he will meet President tomorrow. Shusho wa raigetsu Amerikae ikanai to imashita. This is negative, plain negative. The Prime Minister said he will not go to America next week, next month. Next one, Shusho wa eigo de speech o shita to imashita. Now this is plain past. Prime Minister said he has given speech in English. Then Shusho wa keizai no mondai wa muzukashi to imashita. Now muzukashi is e adjective. It is coming as it is before to. So Prime Minister said the problem of economy is difficult. Then Shusho wa kaigi wa taihen da to imashita. As you can see, taihen na is an adjective. It will change to da to imashita. The Prime Minister said the meeting is terrible. Then let's do some exercise based on this. Sakura no kisetsu. It's Sakura season. Doko ka o hanami ni ikimasu ka? Shall we go for some flower viewing? Nichiyoubi kazoku to Osaka joko e ni ikimasu. Let us. I'll go to Osaka Castle on Sunday for flower viewing. Osaka Castle park is very famous for sakura flowers, flower viewing. So then this person has said, now she will say sakura. B san wa nichiyobi kazoku to Osaka joko e ne iku to imashita. Mr. B said he will go with family on Sunday to Osaka Castle for flower viewing. Okay, I hope you have understood. So let us do question. Let's do the Minna no Nihongo lesson based on this. Please be attentive in the class. I feel that the students are not being attentive. Okay, if you are attentive, please clap. Clap if you are attentive. Otherwise, I'll remove. Okay. 2, 3, 2. Clap, everybody, if you are attentive. No, students are not attentive. What should I do? What about Adish Mishra? Are you attentive? Please speak. Otherwise, I will.
Yes, ma'am. I'm attentive.
Then why didn't you clap? Why didn't you clap?
Ma'am, I'm trying to, but this.
Then you can. Any kind of expression would have done.
Okay,
please motivate me also, yes, because the class is not speaking. Class is not speaking. Are you understanding what I have taught?
Yes, ma'am. I'm understanding.
Okay, good.
It's taking time to learn the script though, but
you should do by now. You should be able to. What about Anisha Bhutto? We haven't done the lesson yet. We will be doing now. We'll be reading script now. But I want students to learn script well. What is the use otherwise? Okay, what about Anisha Butolia? Anisha, you are attentive?
Yes, ma'am, I am attentive. I even clapped.
Yes, Anu Kashyap, are you attentive? Anu Kashyap? Anu Kashyap, are you attentive? Anu Kashyap, are you attentive? No, she is not. Okay, Aryan Punch, are you attentive? Aryan Punch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you attentive in the class? Are you getting
yes,
what
I'm?
I clap. Okay, no, not
yes.
clap. No, I'm not talking about clapping. Are you getting what I am teaching?
Yes, ma'am. I saw the video.
Okay, Sam, I think you are attentive. Janvi Singh, are you attentive now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jaswin Sam, are you attentive?
Yes, ma'am. I am attending.
Okay, attentive. Okay, Mayank Bhalla, are you attentive? Mayank Bhalla, are you getting what I'm saying? The class is not
Yes,
very
ma'am.
big. I'll be able to remember everybody's name, and I will be calling
Yes.
you for video chat. Nandini Raj, are you there? Nandini Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
are you attentive? Are you getting what I'm teaching?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the weather is really bad, so I was disconnecting and connecting again. So I'm sorry for that.
Not good, not good. You may not get the attendance then, Nandini. Okay, Prerna Pitwal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting what I'm teaching?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rajan Sharma, are you there? Rajan
Yes,
Sharma,
ma'am.
are you getting what I'm teaching?
Yes, ma'am.
Annu Kashyap, are you there now? Are you listening to me? Annu Kashyap.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you were not being attentive. Please be attentive. Okay, Shantanu Saini, are you there? Shantanu
Yes,
Saini,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
are you listening? What I'm teaching?
Yes, ma'am.
Shashank, are you there? Shashank, are you there? Shashank, he's not there. Shubham Saini, are you there? Shubham Saini. Shubham Saini, are you there? He's not there. Shashank, are you there? Shantanu Saini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Shashank,
ma'am.
you
I'm
have to
Shashank.
speak. Yes, you have to speak. And
Ma'am,
your
I was trying to, but my mic was not working.
mic was not working.
Yes, ma'am.
I,
Yes, ma'am. You called my name.
who's speaking?
Shantanu.
Shantanu, are you listening? Are you getting what I'm teaching?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
What did I take today? Just now what I have taught you. Tell me what expression you have learned. Please tell what expression we have learned. Please speak. I'm waiting. Okay, now let's come to the lesson. And can anybody read here in this class? Can anybody read here? Anybody who can read, please raise your hand. Or you can volunteer and speak. No? Okay. Ashita amega furuto omoimasu. I think it will rain tomorrow. Sato sanwa gorfu o shinai to omoimasu. I think Mrs. Sato does not play golf. Yamada-san wa mo kaetta to omoimasu. I think Mr. Yamada has already returned back home. Nihon wa bukka ga takai to omoimasu. I think the prices are high in Japan. Nihon wa kotsu ga benri da to omoimasu. I think the transportation is convenient in Japan. Let's do next one. Shusho wa ashita. This we have done in the lesson, in the slides, but I'll repeat it once again. Shusho wa ashita daitoryo ni au to imashita. The Prime Minister said that he will meet President tomorrow. Shusho wa raigetsu America e ikanai to imashita. The Prime Minister said he will not go to America next month. Shusho wa eigo de speech o shita to imashita. The Prime Minister said that he has given speech in English. Shusho wa keizai no mondai wa muzukashii to imashita. In adjective, there will not be any change before to. So the Prime Minister said that the problem of economy is bad and difficult. So shusho wa kaigi wa taihen da to imashita. The Prime Minister said the meeting is terrible. Now let's do the next expression, which is desho. Desho is expression for probability and means that the person who is speaking is knows already about it and saying it assuming, but still because not seeing it clearly himself and saying like ashta party ni kuru desho, kal aap party mein आओगे. So कल तो आप पार्टी में आओगे ही, kind of as you must be coming to the party tomorrow. So it's like expecting a yes answer from the other person. O tera de kaun sa toga atta desho. Atta means already happened. It's past tense. Aru is arimas, means it can be present and future. Atta means past. Arimashta. So temple में concert हुआ होगा. This in Osaka wa tabemono ga oishii desho. The food in Osaka must be tasty. Osaka का खाना tasty हुआ होगा. Tasty होगा. So Toshokan no hito ga shinsetsu desho. The library person would be nice. Okay. So I hope you have understood, and I hope that you are understanding the lesson. Are you or are you not? Are you understanding or not? Okay, students, because this class seems to be having problem with the script, I am taking hiragana here. So this is your chance to learn. Please be attentive and learn. Okay. Are you getting what I'm saying? I don't get any response from this class. What is happening? Yes, say yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
type here. Yes. Please learn the
Yes,
script.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? This is a. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can't display content. We couldn't start the presentation. It's coming. Just a minute. Let me try once again. Let me try once again. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see
Yes,
a?
ma'am.
Okay, I am writing again and learn one by one line. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, learn the first line just now. Can you see the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is A, E, U, A, O. Learn just now. Everybody. A, E, U. Speak, students, and learn. A, E, U, A, O. Learn just now. Next line I'm writing down. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, please learn just now. This is your chance to learn again because I'll be teaching the script only. So please learn the 3 line, and I'll ask you have to write it here. Sa, she, su, se, so. This is 3rd line. Sa, she, su, se, so. Learn just now. A, E, U, A, O. Everybody please speak. A, E, U, A, O. Speak. I can't hear anybody speaking. Then ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Next line is, we do not have any matra in like in Hindi we have, but we have alphabets. So ka, ki, ku, ke, ko are is the second line. A, E, U, A, O are vowels, and they are not English similar to English sound. They are very different. The pronunciation is like Hindi. So learn Hindi. A, E, U, A, O. Speak and learn to write. Next is ka, ki, ku, ke, ko is next line. Then next line is sa, she, su, se, so. You can't pass the exam unless you know this, because the exam is 6th semester is totally going to be in the script. So you will not be able to pass if you do not learn it. Just learn, because you are going to get certificate for learning 6th semester Japanese. It's not possible that you are not able to understand, read and write in Japanese hiragana alphabets. So you are all supposed to be knowing it. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you are getting what I'm saying, please raise your hand. Raise your hand if you are listening to me. Let me see how many of you are listening to me now. Still, students are being very slow. Jaswin Sam and Nandini Raj. I can't even see your hands. I want students to be attentive in the class. Students are not being attentive. Please be attentive in the class, students. Learn these lines. A, I, U, A, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sashi, Su, Se, So. Okay, I'll write down. Let's see who can read here. What is this? What is this, students? Student, what is this word?
Ko.
Ko. Okay. Let's see next one. Let's see who can speak here. Okay. What is this? Learn just now. You can learn. There is no problem. Learn to read.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Asoko.
Asoko. Okay. What is what is this? What is this word, students? Please speak.
Sushi.
Right, sushi. Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who was the first one to speak?
Demetrius and Dan.
Huh?
I'm Demetrius and Dan.
Okay, Demetrius. Demetrius. Okay, Demetrius. You know hiragana or you are just learning?
I know alphabets, but I'm not good at reading them because it takes
Okay,
me time to read.
doesn't matter. You just know, you brush up. Okay. Okay. Now learn. Let's see who will speak this one. What is this one? Let me see. Let me call the name and speak. But I'll call Adish Mishra. Are you there, Adish Mishra? I'm not going to give attendance to students who are not speaking and who are not being attentive in the class. Yes, Adish. What is this word? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth word. Yes, Adish Mishra. Please tell me.
Ma'am, Koi.
Which one is koi?
The fourth one.
The last one is koi. The last one is koi. Okay. And what about the second last?
So, and second last, it's Kiku.
Kiku, yes. Kiku is to listen. Kiku is to listen. Koi means voice. Okay.
Yes.
Let me write more. Okay, what is this word? I'll call the name and ask. What is this word? I'll call Janvi Singh. Is Janvi Singh here?
It's Uwe.
Right, it is Uwe. Okay, it is Uwe. What is this word? I'll call Prerna Patwal to speak. Prerna Patwal, what is this last one?
खोए
No, not koi. After koi.
मैं
Under koi.
सबसे नीचे वाला ना
हाँ, सबसे नीचे.
we I
Only I. I means love. Okay. What is this word? What is this word? I'll call Rajan Sharma to speak. Rajan Sharma, are you listening?
Ma'am, it's Suki.
Right, it is Suki. Right. I'll be calling Aryan Punj to speak. Aryan Punj. What is the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak. I'm not
Uh,
going to give attendance to students who are not speaking and who are not responding. Okay? Yes.
ma'am, it's Shaku.
No, not ku. Aryan, you were not attentive when I was telling the alphabets to you.
Shasi.
Sake.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll be calling who will be Mayank Bhalla. Mayank Bhalla, what is the next word?
Ma'am, is it Osaka?
Right. Osake. Yes, it is Osake. Oh, what is this? I'll be asking who will be who not spoken. Shashank Shekhar. Yes, Shashank Shekhar. What is the next word? Shashank Shekhar.
Ma'am, which one?
Last one, which I've written. This one. What is this word? Mayank Sharma. Shashank Shekhar, sorry. I'm waiting.
Kusui.
Last one you are saying Kusui? No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's not.
Ma'am, last one in second row.
Last one in second one is not Kusui. I'll call Anu Kashyap to say. Anu Kashyap, please tell me what
Ma'am,
is
second last is EA.
right, and the last is
Kai. Second last is Kai.
not Kai. It is
Koi.
Koi. Kai will be Kai will be Kai. Okay. Now, what does it mean? All these words have got meaning. Okay. Coco is here. Asoko is over there. Sushi is sushi. Kiko is listen. Ko is sound. Ue is above. I is love. Suki is like. Sake, you know, is osake again. Ie is no. Koi is also love. And kai is shell. Okay, so please learn these three lines very well. I can show you one app teaching you. You can just a minute. Let me give me a second. Let me introduce you to one app because you have not been able to learn it. Just give me a second so that I can introduce you to one app. Just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Yes, this is the one I'm talking about. Give me a second. Okay. I'm sharing the screen with you. I think I have to stop sharing this. Then only I'll be able to share. Okay. Okay. This please take this. Open this link, and I'll share this just now with you. this is copy and I'll put it here. This is learning in 1 hour you are able to learn. Okay. Are you getting? So please, I'm pasting the link here. You open it and keep it in your mobile and learn on mobile. By next week, you should be able to do all hiragana. All those who are having problem, they should learn it. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm not getting yes or something.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
why I'm not getting why I don't know. Please copy
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Please copy this and keep it with you on mobile so that you can open and learn. And within 1 hour, you will be able to learn all the alphabets because it is giving you clues also how to learn. Okay, so like learning words are also there and spoken practices also there. So please learn. Fine. With this, I will finish my class. じゃあ終わります。皆さん、気をつけてください。さようなら。So, just a minute. Let me